So guys, you want to get a camera to start photography with, but you really do not know what camera you want to get. Come closer, let me help you out right here. So guys, when I started out photography, I made a lot of mistakes deciding on what camera I should actually get at that point in time. And I really do not want you guys to make the same mistake, because it really did cost me a lot. So before I actually tell you what camera to get, there are some things we need to talk about. Things like affordability, like how deep is your pocket really, because you know everybody has different kind of budget in where they want, like the amount they want to spend on getting a camera. So how deep is your pocket? But I think for someone who is just starting out, many a times we do not have a lot of budget or a lot of money to actually spend on the camera. That's going to bring me to my second point, which is future proof. What I mean by future proof really is you want to get something that you do not want to look back in a month time or in 6 months time or in a year time saying, oh, I need to get something else. So you need a camera that can actually stand the test of time, and a camera that you can actually work with professionally for some years, probably 3 years ish, and you'll still be good. So let's talk about ease of use. The camera needs to be something that is easily understandable for anyone to just pick up at any time to actually get using. So this camera in question is going to be the Lumix S5ii. All of these qualities I mentioned, the Lumix S5ii actually fits into it. Yes, I know you could decide to go a Sony route or a Nikon route or something, but if we're looking at affordability, the Lumix S5ii is quite affordable, as many a times I get to see them post probably on Amazon. Some other camera stores tend to do deals on this particular camera where you could actually purchase the camera with some kit lens and maybe some primes, and they come in like interesting bundles, which is quite affordable. You having a full frame camera in this age and day to be that affordable and amazing at the same time. This video isn't sponsored by Lumix or nothing, but I just thought to literally like come out and reach out to you guys and tell you guys this camera is the real deal. Guys, I have shot amazing photos using this particular camera, and another juicy part is I'm currently filming on the camera. How's the footage looking? So this particular camera is not just a photography camera, it's also video packed, like proper video centric. It shoots 6K open gate, and did I forget to mention this camera is a 24 megapixel camera, and in this age and day 24 megapixel is enough, is more than enough for you to actually get anything done. You could get your photos printed large using a 24 megapixel camera. Don't let the whole social media space actually tell you a lie that 24 megapixel is not enough. You need probably like a 40 or a 60 megapixel camera. I'll tell you that's not true. Have you ever considered in the 2000s, in the 90s, people use a 8 megapixel camera, 6 megapixel cameras, and they still shoot stunning photos that get printed on billboards. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you found this information useful, kindly give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're a new person on the channel, and you could drop your comments down below. Let me know what camera you would rather go for, and yeah, let's have a discuss down below, and I think it helps the video too at the same time. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.